Most people don't have a money problem. They have a money clarity problem. You don't need a higher salary. You don't need 10 side hustles. You don't need extreme saving. You need a system. Because if you don't control your money will control you. Today I'm going to show you the best budgeting method for beginners. Simple, realistic, and actually sustainable. No complicated spreadsheets, no extreme sacrifice. Just a system that works. Why most budgets fail? Before I show you the best method, let's talk about why most budgets fail. Most people track expenses for 5 days, get overwhelmed, quit, go back to guessing. Or even worse, they create unrealistic budgets. No eating out, no fun, no spending. That's not budgeting, that's punishment. And punishment never lasts. Budgeting is not about restriction, it's about direction. What budgeting actually is? Budgeting is simply telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. That's it. It's not about being cheap, it's about being intentional. Every dollar you earn has 3 jobs: live, enjoy, grow. If your money only lives and enjoys but never grows, you stay stuck. If it only grows but you never enjoy, you burn out. Balance matters. The best budgeting method for beginners. 50-30-20 rule. The best method for beginners is the 50-30-20 rule. Here's how it works. 50% needs rent, utilities, groceries, transportation, insurance, minimum debt payments. These are survival costs. 30% eating out, travel. This is your lifestyle category. You are allowed to enjoy money. That's important. 20% savings, emergency fund, investments, extra debt payments. This is where wealth is built. This is the category most people ignore. Why this method works? It works because it's simple. It gives structure without suffocating you. It doesn't require tracking every coffee. It gives you freedom inside boundaries. And most importantly, it forces you to pay yourself first. If 20% goes to growth automatically, your future improves even if you're not thinking about it daily. Real example? Let's say you make $3,000 per month after tax. 50% is $1,500. For needs, 30% is $900 for wants. 20% is $600 for savings and investing. Now imagine doing this consistently for 3 years. That's over $21,000 saved. Without extreme sacrifice. The system works if you respect it. Common beginner mistakes? Mistake 1. Ignoring irregular expenses. Car repairs. Gifts. Medical bills. Plan for them. Mistake 2. Forgetting annual subscriptions. These sneak up on people. Mistake 3. Not adjusting when income changes. Your budget should evolve with you. Mistake 4. Being too strict. If you eliminate all fun, you'll quit. Consistency beats perfection. What if 50-30-20 doesn't fit? If your needs are more than 50% right now, that's okay. Adjust it. Maybe you do. 60-20-20 or 70-15-15. The goal is progress, not perfection. Budgeting is a starting point, not a prison. Why budgeting changes everything? When you budget, you stop stressing every purchase. You stop guessing your bank balance. You stop feeling guilty spending money because you already decided in advance. Clarity reduces anxiety, and money anxiety destroys more peace than low income. Now here's the real question. If you started using a system like this right now, how different would your life look in 3 years? Think about that. Because budgeting is not about this month. It's about your future self.